Hey everybody, it's Jeremy here with the Guillette Group, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. Over the past few weeks, we've had multiple people reach out to us and say, where can we just get a condo, get to the area, become familiar, and not have to break the bank? So today, we're going to show you Osprey Cove. It's in a great location in Estero. We'll show you the amenities, we'll go through a couple of units, and of course we'll hop in the car and drive around. So hop in with us and take a look. And guys, remember, people are moving here all the time. We're talking to someone almost every day, whether they're across town or across the country. If you have questions, we've got the answers. Please reach out to me directly. I'm at 239-771-6237, or you can click the link below to schedule time with us directly. And of course, you can catch us on any of our social media. Talk to you soon. All right, so we're doing something a little bit different this week. Take a look. This is the aerial view of Osprey Cove. You can see from this angle all these units back up to a lake. So you will have a water view in every single one of these. Some are more dramatic than the others. You can see the lake there with the community center, and the pool obviously is a little bit larger than the one to its south. And back there you can see what looks to be something in progress. That was actually Walmart. That's been completed a couple years ago. So obviously the aerial images are a little bit behind. But this location is amazing. This sits essentially at the corner of 41 and Estero Boulevard. Estero Parkway has actually been part of the green beautification process within the town of Estero. So really nice driving down that. Location-wise, there is stuff all around here. You're walking distance to the Walmart. There's a new Aldi right there. Across the street, there are restaurants, a Starbucks. You have a new Sprouts grocery store. So we're driving through Osprey Cove here, and what I want to point out is these are exclusively condo buildings. They're mostly 2-bedroom, 2-bath, although there's quite a few 2-bedroom with a den option. So you're looking at about 1,150 square feet for your typical, and then almost just over 1,300 for the 2-bedroom option with a den. The community itself is built around lakes. And there's one section that I'm showing here now, which they call the veranda. It actually sits on the very north end of the community. And I call this out just because it's a little bit of a different feel than the condos themselves. Their verandas actually have a porch on each side. So you have a lanai on the front and a lanai on the back. If you're on the upstairs unit, you do have vaulted ceilings. And they do come with some additional features that are just included, like impact glass throughout, which is nice. So we'll take a look here. This is actually a different perspective of those veranda units to the left, and then the typical condo building there straight in front of us, and then kind of the same thing. The verandas are off to the right there. So just wanted to show you both options. So we're just going to take a quick look. 2 of the units were actually available when I came through to do the tour. You can see it's a little bit of a gray day, but again, all these units do back up to a lake view. The 2 that happened to be open were both ground floor units, and they back up to the bigger lake. Sorry for that effect there. I get a little too close to the screen, apparently. But you can see, even though this is a gray day, really nice view, long lake views, and then in this case, you'd be looking back actually at the clubhouse. Each of these units, it's kind of nice, do come with a dedicated storage unit. And these are pretty big. I mean, you can see from the size here, you can put quite a bit in there. So if you want all of your beach chairs, bikes, you name it, you do have that option to put it in there. And of course, it is locked. So here's another floor plan. Again, the one you saw to start, and then this one are both 2-bedroom floor plans. You can see they both have kind of that open concept. So it is what most people are looking for. And again, looking out, you do see the lake view. So shifting quickly, we're going to take a look. This is the community center. There is a dedicated HOA office on site. And then you do have a really good sized pool. There's a hot tub there in the middle. I don't know if you can see it from this angle. And a good amount of space for all of the deck chairs. So really nice that that's included in a community of this size. Now, Osprey Cove is just one option, but there are tons here. If you're not sure where you want to be, check out this video where we talk about the 42 different communities just within Estero.